Let's do this. This is funky.
Yeah, we're going in, baby.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, kid. Make it happen out there.
ATL, baby, is where I reside. I'm a young white rapper and I don't get high. Teenage girls is what I really like. And I'm still a young boy, but I'm still so fly. Let's go.
Oh, man, we're going in.
Yeah.
We're on video.
Anything about it.
Yo, that's so funny.
we were in London. I was
From Usher.
Okay.
I don't know. No, it's just
Going to Pinocchio Bieber.
This is scary, Carl. Honk. Honk, honk. Oh my god, it's coming. Honk! They love Justin Bieber. Do you like Justin Bieber?
No, not at my age.
Does your dog like Justin Bieber?
I don't think so.
Aww. He likes
Sorry.
Justin Bieber.
It could do, but I don't know.
Cutest dog ever.
I never asked him.
Here you go, little doggy.
No,
Listen to Justin Bieber, okay? Bye-bye. Honk if you love Justin! Honk for Justin! Honk! 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 Honk for Justin! Honk if you love Justin Bieber! Please! Please! Thank you! Quick, hurry up, run! Come on, Heather. Honk. Honk if you love Justin! Honk! Honk! Honk if you love Justin! Honk if you love Justin! Honk, honk! Honk if you love Justin Bieber! Wow! Honk if you love Justin! Honk if you love Justin! Honk! 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 Not whistle. We're gonna whistle.
all right. Yeah. Speaking in tongues, dabba 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 da da voila, I'm killing this. Ka ka, call up Lady Gaga on my telephone. Hella dawn, yeah, my girl beats no metronome. My new chick, she a yellow bone. I buy a Yellowstone, cause I like it when she got that yellow. So I'm a raptor, tearing it up like a tractor. Matter of fact, I'm killing this track, you're a slacker. Sack like a sacker, call him Mr. Brady. Tell him leave his hair to the guy who sings baby. Baby, come and try to save me. Lately, I've been hearing these things.